Stay organized and boost productivity with the perfect blend of function and style, whiteboard and corkboard combos. These versatile boards let you jot down notes, pin reminders, and plan with ease, making them ideal for homes, offices, classrooms, and dorms. Here are the top 5 best picks to keep your space clutter-free and inspired. Number 1. Maxtek Whiteboard and Bulletin Corkboard. The Maxtek Whiteboard and Bulletin Corkboard is the perfect solution to stay organized and say goodbye to clutter. This 2-in-1 design combines a premium magnetic whiteboard on the left, featuring an anti-scratch surface for smooth writing and easy dry wiping, with a self-healing corkboard on the right, ideal for pinning notes, photos, memos, and important documents. Measuring 23.6 by 17.7 inches, it's portable and practical, with adjustable metal hooks for flexible hanging. This all-in-one board comes complete with 24 colored pins, 6 magnets, 3 dry erase markers, and 1 magnetic eraser, saving you from buying accessories separately. Installation is simple with the included wall screws, anchors, and covers, allowing you to mount it horizontally or vertically. Versatile and functional, it's great for planning, studying, presentations, to-do lists, or vision boards, perfect for home, office, dorm, kitchen, or classroom use. Made with FSC-certified materials, it's eco-friendly too. Plus, with 24/7 customer service support, Maxtek ensures your satisfaction every step of the way. Number 2. Arcobis Corkboard Whiteboard Combo. The Arcobis Corkboard Whiteboard Combo is a smart and stylish solution to keep your life organized while enhancing your workspace decor. This multifunctional vision board combines a premium erasable whiteboard, designed for smooth writing and easy wiping without stains or ghosting, with a thickened, self-healing natural cork surface, perfect for pinning notes, memos, photos, and schedules. Lightweight yet sturdy, it features an elegant black brushed aluminum frame, adding a modern, chic touch to any home office, classroom, dorm, or commercial space. Measuring 36 by 24 inches, this combo board provides ample space for planning, organizing, and visualizing your goals. It comes as a complete set, including 2 markers, 2 magnets, 10 thumbtacks, and 1 dry eraser, making it an incredible value for clerks, teachers, students, parents, and professionals alike. With flexible hanging options, you can mount it vertically or horizontally to suit your space. Made with FSC-certified wood, the Arcobis board is eco-friendly, practical, and reliable, perfect for daily reminders, to-do lists, homeschooling, and more. Number 3. Xboard Magnetic Whiteboard and Corkboard. The Xboard Magnetic Whiteboard and Corkboard is a versatile and decorative solution that blends functionality with style. Designed to be both practical and attractive, it allows you to conveniently write notes, memos, reminders, and calendars on the smooth whiteboard while also pinning photos, messages, and important documents on the self-healing corkboard. This dual-purpose design makes it not just an essential info center but also a decorative addition to your space. The specially lacquered magnetic whiteboard offers a spacious, smooth writing surface that ensures effortless writing and erasing without ghosting, staining, or discoloration. On the other side, the sustainable cork surface naturally heals after pinning, maintaining its neat and tidy look over time. Measuring 35.5 inches by 23.6 inches, the sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability without bending or warping, and installation is easy with options to mount horizontally or vertically. Ideal for homes, offices, schools, kitchens, and dorms, the Xboard is perfect for daily organization, guided learning, presentations, scoring games, or simply keeping track of life's tasks. Number 4. Wallglass Whiteboard Corkboard Combo. The Wallglass Whiteboard Corkboard Combo is a multifunctional 2-in-1 solution designed to keep your ideas, notes, and reminders perfectly organized. This double-sided board lets you work on multiple projects at once. One side features a magnetic whiteboard with cork combo, and the other is a full whiteboard. Perfect for office, home, or school, it allows you to pin charts, papers, bills, photos, memos, or to-do lists while also writing schedules, lessons, or menus. This value-packed set includes everything you need: a 36x 24-inch board for colorful markers, 8 magnets, 10 push pins, a detachable tray, and an eraser. With movable hanging hooks and wall mount accessories, you can hang it vertically or horizontally with ease. The smooth, stain-resistant writing surface ensures easy writing and erasing without ghosting, while the lightweight aluminum frame provides durability without being bulky. Backed by dedicated customer support, wall glass ensures quality and reliability, making this board an excellent choice for planning, teaching, meetings, or everyday organization. Number 5. Geloffice Whiteboard and Bulletin Corkboard. The Geloffice Whiteboard and Bulletin Corkboard is a practical and durable two-in-one solution for organizing, planning, and teaching. Featuring a smooth magnetic whiteboard surface, it's perfect for writing, drawing, and brainstorming ideas, while the self-healing corkboard side is ideal for pinning notes, documents, photos, and reminders securely. This dual design makes it a versatile tool for classrooms, offices, homes, and even playrooms. Built with an anti-scratch satin black aluminum frame and rounded nylon corners, the board ensures both durability and safety, eliminating sharp edges for a comfortable user experience. A sturdy, removable aluminum marker tray keeps your pens, erasers, and accessories neatly organized and within reach. The Geloffice board is easy to set up with included fixing kits and a free position mounting design, allowing you to install it horizontally or vertically to suit your space. Backed by reliable after-sales support, you can count on Geloffice to assist with any issues, ensuring both quality performance and peace of mind.